we're going to do this morning is I need something to go with this new intro. So I'm going to do a little drawing now. And I think what I'll do is do another gnome drawing. So let's start the time lapse. I'm going to try and keep my finger off the microphone because last time I ended up with some horrible noise. Let's start the time lapse and draw us a gnome. And I had the idea, Gnome Or Cake, which is, as you'd imagine, a gnome eating a cake. But in this case, so we'll start with the cake. Let's make a little cake base here. Maybe use a bit of a thicker pencil. That's why. Fine pen, we want a pencil. Pencil, not as thick as that. There we go. Alright, I'll just quickly get rid of those first few lines. And pump that pencil up a bit. Alright. Let's see. If I hold my tablet by the back, then hopefully I won't hit the microphone. Alright, so let's start again. Zoom out. We want the plate the cake is on. So the plate, like that. Doesn't matter, it's a bit rough. And then the base of the cake. It's going to be something like this. It's going to be like a double layer cake. Like that. That's cool. Let's get rid of some of these construction lines that I've just got in here. That's better. Now it doesn't look much like a cake at the moment, but let's get in there and just tidy it up a bit and make it more cake-like. So let's get back into our pencil and just zoom in, and then I can see what I'm doing a bit better. Refine my line work a little bit, or not. Because it doesn't really matter. Okay, and we'll do like a little bit of frosting here on the cake. It's a bit rough. And tidy up the plate a bit. Don't want to spend too much time on this drawing. Going upside down because it's easier to do the curves this way. It's an old Disney animation trick. I used to be a Disney animator. So, let's put the frosting on the top of the cake. Some frosting coming over a little bit like that. And a bit of cake destruction. Because we've got to put our gnome in there. What else should we put on here? Like maybe some circles, like sprinkles, or dots. Let's just put some dots for now. A curve there. Alright, where's our gnome? Should we do our gnome? So I had this idea of this gnome, and all you're going to see is his head sticking out of the cake. So we'll start doing his head, shall we? Or his neck. His neck. And his round head. Kind of like a oval, like an egg. This one. And let's give him like the stupidest big grin. So those look like the teeth of somebody who could eat an entire cake on his own. And a little buttony nose. And let's give him some closed eyes because he's smiling. some gnome-like ears. Well, elf-like ears more, but, you know. Little gnome hat. And let's give it some hair. That. And some crumbs on his face. So you can definitely tell he's been eating cake. The hole that he's in, the top of the cake. How are we looking now? That's pretty funny. So we go to gnome. So let's just tidy up the lines a bit. Tidy, tidy. Trying to keep it nice and loose so it's really sketchy. And let's tidy up his little head a little bit more. So, I think we have it, pretty much. That's a great thing about these little sketches. So there's a little Gnome Or Cake. So let's write this down here, maybe. Gnome Or Cake. Here we go. Gnome Or Cake. And I need to sign it. Sign it and date it. So I'll do my secret signature here at the plate. Sam 2019, and that's pretty good, but I think I can work with that. I can take that and I can color it and vectorize, like draw nice clean lines and clean it up, make it a vector art. I'm pretty happy with that concept sketch. So that's it.